welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a tutorial that's going to take your TV experience to the next level. Are you ready to learn how to install Netflix on your Samsung Smart TV? Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the installation process, let's talk about what Netflix can bring to your Samsung Smart TV. Imagine having access to a vast library of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and more, all at your fingertips. Get ready to elevate your entertainment. All right, let's make this happen. I'll guide you through each step of installing Netflix on your Samsung Smart TV. Trust me, it's a breeze. Step 1. Power up your Samsung Smart TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. A solid connection ensures smooth streaming of your favorite content. Step 2. Using your remote, locate and open the App Store or Smart Hub on your TV. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Hunt down the Netflix app using the search function. Once you find it, click on Install. The app will start downloading in no time. Congratulations! You've just added Netflix to your Samsung Smart TV. And that's a wrap. Your Samsung Smart TV is now your gateway to unlimited entertainment with Netflix. Get ready for a binge-watching extravaganza. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support keeps us motivated. Thanks for joining us. Enjoy your Netflix journey, and until next time, happy streaming. Stay connected with us by hitting that subscribe button and following us on social media. More exciting content is on the way. Please note that app availability may vary based on your region and TV model. Be sure to check your Samsung Smart TV's compatibility before installation.